Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, today I just finished exploring Mount Faba, and from there I'm now heading towards Sentosa. It's a short journey, but it already feels like I'm stepping into something completely different. From Mount Faba, I took the cable car to Sentosa. This ride itself feels like an experience. This cable car ride feels like you're floating above everything. I suddenly realize how high I actually am. And then I realize, for the first time, I'm traveling above the sea like this. All these moments, I'm capturing them on my Insta360 camera. And just like that, I've reached Sentosa. The cable car ride was absolutely fantastic. The view from the top was breathtaking. One of the main things I really wanted to see here is the universal globe. I've seen it so many times, but only in videos and pictures. So this Universal Studios is a theme park which was built back in 2010. This theme park has so many attractions, including roller coasters and themed rides. So, yeah, it's not just about the universal globe. There's a lot more to see here. But today, I just want to go to the globe and take some pictures. Walking here is not that easy. But still, this is part of the experience. So we're getting closer now. I can finally see it. The globe is right there. At last, I finally saw it. After all this time, it's right in front of me. Let's go for a small ride.